Thermarest NeoAir Xtherm. So for this, I'm just going to set up my Xtherm just in real time so you can see how long it takes. So the first thing about this bedroll is it's very lightweight. It comes in at half a kilo. It's incredibly compact. As you can see, that little package is pretty much everything, including the inflation bag or the standard storage bag. So this particular one has an R value of 5.7. Now for the weight of it, it has basically the highest R value for the weight of any bedroll or ground mat on the market. The downside is honestly the cost of it. These retail in New Zealand for about $430. They are incredibly comfortable, again very lightweight and very compact. Fully inflated, they provide about 6.3 centimeters of thickness. Now another product I've used a little while ago was an Xped Down Mat 7. Now the Down Mat 7 is just that it's got down insulation in it, so it's not as compact. It's also a bit heavier, so it weighs 890 grams, so it's almost 400 grams heavier. It's a little bit thicker at bang on 7 centimeters. It has a slightly higher R value of 5.9. It's $150 cheaper at $280. Now, from what I understand and from what I've read, the Thermarests tend to be a lot more durable, and I have heard quite a few accounts of the Xpeds getting small punctures and tears and things like that through normal use. And there's also videos of people just abusing these things, and they stand up surprisingly well. So, yeah, the only real downside with the Thermarest is honestly just that price tag. Everything else is a win, and I bought this one particularly just because of that R value and the thickness of it. It was also easier to get locally rather than having to go to town to get it. The downside is you adjust that cost. Now, you can still use it in summer, spring, autumn, whenever you want. I got this one particularly, again, that R value, because I do trips above snowline, so I needed that insulation, that R value. The weight was just a bonus, and I wouldn't trade it off. I'm generally not a gram counter, but I've done the research into this, and I wanted that durability, and I do appreciate having that lack of weight. So again, they're very comfortable. Even just when I'm lying on it in this video, that short time you can feel the heat reflecting back onto yourself, and it honestly feels like it's heated. I've used it outside with a sleeping bag that was a bit lighter than what it should have been, and I had a perfectly comfortable sleep. It was a little bit chilly, but that was just from the sleeping bag. And this bedroll has enough insulation in it that even when you're lying down on the ground mat and all the down and bag compresses, it's still incredibly warm, which is just that ground mat's ability to reflect the heat and keep you warm. And so it resulted in a very comfortable sleep. However, again, the downside that I keep coming back to is just that price. If you can't justify it, then honestly the extra weight on the down mat, you'll be fine. So yeah, this whole thing's been done in real time of setting it up and then packing it up again and just putting it back in the storage bag. It also does come with a repair kit, instruction manuals, all the other bits and pieces. And yeah, a whole lot comes in at about half a kilo. So, thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed it.